When it comes to upgrading your home, windows play a much bigger role than many homeowners realize. They influence comfort, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even long-term structural integrity. That's why choosing the right provider matters. High Springs Window Services stand out by combining precision craftsmanship with durable materials, ensuring every installation or repair delivers lasting value for homeowners. Precision starts with a detailed assessment. Every successful window project begins with a careful evaluation. High Springs Window Services prioritize understanding your home's unique structure, style, and environmental exposure. Rather than relying on one-size-fits-all solutions, experienced technicians measure each opening with exact accuracy. This detailed approach prevents common issues like drafts, uneven frames, or gaps that can lead to water intrusion. Precise measurements also help ensure that replacement windows fit seamlessly into your home's existing design. Whether you live in a modern property or a traditional Florida-style home, tailored sizing ensures clean lines and proper alignment. This commitment to detail reduces installation errors and enhances both appearance and performance. Quality materials built for longevity. Durability starts with the right materials. High Springs Window Services focus on using products designed to withstand Florida's changing weather conditions. From intense sunlight to heavy rain and humidity, windows must be resilient. High-quality vinyl, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options provide strength without sacrificing visual appeal. Energy-efficient glass packages with insulated panes and low-E coatings add another layer of durability. These features not only improve temperature control inside your home but also reduce strain on your HVAC system. Over time, this means lower energy bills and fewer maintenance concerns. By selecting proven materials, High Springs Window Services help homeowners avoid premature wear and costly repairs. Expert installation makes the difference. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're installed improperly. Precision installation is a cornerstone of reliable High Springs Window Services. Skilled technicians follow a systematic process that includes careful removal of old units, inspection of surrounding structures, and secure sealing to prevent air and moisture leaks. Proper flashing and insulation are especially important in ensuring long-term durability. When these elements are handled correctly, your windows resist water damage, mold growth, and structural deterioration. Professional installation also ensures smooth operation. Windows open, close, and lock as they should, adding convenience and security to your home. Focus on energy efficiency and comfort. Modern homeowners expect more than just good looks from their windows. High Springs Window Services incorporate energy-efficient solutions that enhance indoor comfort year-round. Double and triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and advanced sealing techniques work together to maintain stable indoor temperatures. This precision-driven approach reduces drafts and eliminates hot or cold spots near windows. It also minimizes outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing environment. By focusing on performance as well as appearance, High Springs Window Services provide upgrades that homeowners truly feel every day. Thorough quality checks ensuring durability doesn't stop once installation is complete. Reputable High Springs Window Services include final inspections and testing as part of their process. Technicians check alignment, confirm airtight seals, and verify that hardware functions correctly. These quality control steps catch potential concerns before they become future problems. Homeowners are also guided through maintenance recommendations to extend the life of their windows. Simple care practices, like regular cleaning and checking seals, help preserve both performance and appearance for years to come. Customer-centered communication. Precision and durability are only part of the equation. High Springs Window Services prioritize clear communication throughout the project. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, homeowners are kept informed about timelines, material options, and installation details. Transparent pricing and detailed explanations build trust and eliminate surprises. When customers understand the process, they feel confident in the investment they're making in their home. Long-term value you can see and feel. Ultimately, precision and durability translate into peace of mind. Well-installed, high-quality windows improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and boost curb appeal. They also add measurable value to your property. By combining accurate measurements, premium materials, expert installation, and attentive customer service, High Springs Window Services deliver results that stand the test of time. Homeowners don't just get new windows, they gain long-lasting comfort, reliability, and confidence in their home's performance.